Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India, request basic service.
Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India, Hawarden radar, good morning, QNH 1007, what type of service do you require?
Require basic service. We are currently 3 nautical miles west of Prestatyn on inbound to Hawarden.
Golf Charlie India, roger, QNH 1007. Say again, what type of service you require?
Basic service, Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, roger, basic service. Request QNH, read back 1007.
1007, Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, report your altitude, squawk 4601.
Squawk 4601 and currently at 1,800 feet. Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, roger. Do you have information? Foxtrot runway 22 in use.
Negative. Radio is picking up readability 1 on the ATIS. Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, roger. The surface wind 190 degrees at 6 knots. The visibility greater than 10 kilometres. Clouds scattered 3,000 feet. Runway 22 in use. QNH you have. Report visual with the aerodrome.
Report visual with the aerodrome and it's runway 22. Golf Charlie India.
You have to do a lot of things, don't you?
Might be able to.
+1 niner, dew point, +1 3, QNH 1007. Hawarden, information, acknowledge receipt of information. Foxtrot, and advise aircraft type on first contact. Time 1003, runway news 22, surface wind 190, 6 knots.
So, basically go down, I think there's a power station and then there's Flint. We should be able to see the airport.
Okay. The visibility is much improved, isn't it?
Yeah.
But a lot of turbulence off the coast.
Yeah. Yeah, so Flint Bridge is just ahead of us.
Golf Charlie India, join right base, runway 22.
Join right base, runway 22. Golf Charlie India. That's really annoying. It's quite bumpy here.
It is. All estuaries are wind channels, aren't they? here sitting on land. See it?
Yeah. Power station up front.
Right, see it? Yeah.
So I think the airport is where all those, you see the canal going?
Yeah.
And then the airport is where all those buildings are.
Canal goes through because there's no water here.
Golf Charlie India, visual with the aerodrome.
Golf Charlie India, we're just approaching Flint Bridge and visual with the aerodrome just behind Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, roger, contact Hawarden Tower 124.950, bye-bye.
Contact Hawarden Tower 124.950, goodbye. Golf Charlie India.
Midland 2777, thank you. Contact Scottish Control now, 128.050, bye-bye.
Scottish 128.050, Midland 2777. Thanks for your help. Bye-bye now. Hawarden Tower, Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India.
Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India, Hawarden Tower, report right base, runway 22, QFE 1006.
QFE 1006, report right base, Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India.
Kilo Mike, are you familiar with the Wallasey 4 departure?
Affirmative, Oscar Kilo Mike.
So there's the aerodrome there. Oh.
What is it?
Oscar Kilo Mike, what type of service are you looking on for departure?
Flight advisory, Oscar Kilo Mike.
Oscar Kilo Mike, confirm traffic or deconfliction?
No, just traffic, Oscar Kilo Mike.
Oscar Kilo Mike, roger. Security 1, Combine Pursuit Gate 7 via taxi Alpha. Oscar Kilo Mike, runway 22, clear for takeoff, surface wind 190 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear for takeoff to do Oscar Kilo Mike.
Down to 1,000 feet.
Golf Charlie India, report final.
Golf Charlie India, currently just joining right base for runway 22.
Golf Charlie India, roger, report final.
Wilco, Golf Charlie India.
Good night. Oh, see you. On the carriage, fixed, mixture, pitch, instruments set, T's and P's, and the up.
Golf Charlie India, do you require fuel when landing?
Negative, Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, roger. Golf Kilo Mike, report your altitude.
Altitude 2,800 passing.
Golf Kilo Mike, thank you. Contact Scottish Control 128.050. Goodbye.
128.050, thank you very much. Bye, Oscar Kilo Mike.
The windsock here. Left hand side. Should be on the right hand side.
Golf Charlie India, clear to land, surface wind 200 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear to land, Golf Charlie India.
Control, proceed to holding point at November 1. There has been reports of rooks at the far end at the 04 threshold.
Golf Charlie India, final runway 22.
Golf Charlie India, clear to land, surface wind 190 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear to land, Golf Charlie India.
Hi. So. Power to get us
Control
done.
behind the landing 172. Enter runway 22 behind.
Wind's coming. Beluga Airbus.
Charlotte's huge.
Golf Charlie India, vacate right at Golf, taxi 8 for November, via taxis Golf, Juliet and November.
Yeah.
Backtrack if required.
Taxiway by Golf, Foxtrot and November. Golf Charlie India?
Golf Charlie India, Golf, Juliet and November.
Correction, Golf Juliet and November.